And as I mentioned, we have our soil complex blocks over here. They've been used to build this house. It's a very stable house. These blocks, we don't burn them using firewood, so we don't cut down trees or degrade the environment. So these are environment friendly. We make them using soil and a little bit of cement. And when building with them, we just stack them up in this way and stack them on each other. So we don't use mortar or plaster when building with them. You're going to have a look at the house that we've built using these blocks. So you save a lot of money. The money that would have gone on cement and many bags of cement, you save it right there. Its durability is over 500 years, believe me. We've used very little cement to build and construct this building. And then the time that we use to construct also is actually half of the time you'd use use the normal burnt bricks. I want you to come on. I want to show you the inside of the house. I'll start putting in furniture, and all the furniture we're going to be used is going to be made out of our blocks, bricks, and pavers. And even if you take a look at the floor, these are pavers that we make. So everything inside here is going to be a product from our factory. But we're going to be using blocks to make benches, the sofa, and the seats, and also the tables. And then also the house. Inside this house, you find that it's cool. It's cool. Even when it's really hot outside, the brick house is a cool space to be. Hi, this is Discover Yourself Show, and I'm Prophetess Barbara here with you at YHVH Design Construction Factory in Uganda, the part of Africa. Yes, when you discover who you are, discover yourself, and know who you want to become, then you will do exactly what you're called to do and your purpose in life. I want to urge you to find a place where you can grow and where your presence can change the future. This is YHVH Design Construction Pro Barbara with you in Entebbe, Uganda. Bye-bye.